It's not how much you make, but how much you save. It's not always how much money you make, it's how you use it. You don't have to earn a lot of money to make the most of what you have. There is truth in the fact that it's not always how much money you earn, it's how you use it. If a high income really equates to wealth, how is it that professional athletes, actors, and heirs to great fortunes have managed to burn through millions, put nothing aside for the future, and end up impoverished? No matter how much money you earn, it can all disappear if you haven't used it wisely. Most people think that they just need to make a little bit more money. If I made just $20,000 more each year, I'd have enough money. This is a common way of thinking that has been shown repeatedly in study after study. We all think that we are just on the cusp of making the amount of money we need to be happy in life. The problem, of course, is that it doesn't work like that. It's not what you make that is the problem, it's what you spend. Here are 8 things to let you know that it's not how much money you earn, but how you use it. Number 1. Minimize spending and minimize debt. You do not have to take on unnecessary debt. If any one of your children wanted to buy something special, you do not have to pull out the credit card. The children will learn financial responsibility by watching you being responsible. Number 2. Assume things will go wrong. There's a difference between being a pessimist and being a planner. Part of planning for the future is knowing that things are going to go south on occasion. Someone will get sick, lose a job, or crash an ancient van. Having money put away for a rainy day provides a sense of normalcy and relief when things go wrong. Number 3. Leave below your means. You should plan for any eventuality, such as being home full-time for kids as parents, or losing job, ahead of time, and create an emergency fund for it. Your career and working to your full potential, or leaving the work if it's the most beneficial in particular circumstances, and spending less money, also matter. Your short-term circumstances should not turn your lives upside down. You should continue with your home improvements, and you would still have plenty of food on the table, and your kids will still go to college, but only if you keep your debt to a minimum and live below your means. Number 4. Approach the future with a clear plan. Money is not everything. You should know if you want to build a career. You should work hard on your skills and on yourself. You should work your way up to a job with more responsibility and a larger income. You should know what your goal is and systematically try to make it a reality. You can also work toward a shared goal with you family members or friends. Your goals can be anything: updating the house one room at a time, adding 1 or 2 new elements to the yard, planning for the future, making sure your children turn into amazing adults, and much more. Number 5. Smart can outpace rich. Living below your means will allow you to invest, no matter what is going on in your life. You should have enough in savings to cover emergencies, but you also need to know that the only way your money will grow is to invest. Your financial habits will help you succeed in life, particularly compared to someone who earns more, but also spends more and invests less. There are no guarantees in life. The best any of us can do is use what we have at our disposal in the wisest possible way. Number 6. Conspicuous consumption. It's unfortunate that for so many people, their personal self-worth is tied up in what they can consume. The house they have, the car they drive, the furniture they sit on to watch the TV they own. Internally, it makes people feel successful to accumulate material goods. Externally, it's their way of showing other people they have made it. This form of consumption is a path that leads you to always asking, what's the next nicest thing I can buy? Consequently, this is why a lot of people think they just need a little bit more money to have the life they want. They see that car that is a bit nicer than theirs. They know they can't afford a brand new Tesla, but maybe they can swing a car payment for an entry-level Lexus or a new truck. It's a way we've been trained to think and consume. But it's not healthy, and it's a path to being less content and less financially secure. We should avoid such thoughts and mindset. Number 7. Your savings rate matters, not your income. As every personal finance expert will tell you, your savings rate matters. The percentage of your income that you can save will be the largest factor in your ability to be financially independent. Somebody who is saving 20% of their income at $60,000 will become financially independent faster than somebody who is saving 6% of their $120,000 income. By raising your savings rate, you are not only going to be saving more money, but you'll also be reducing your consumption. This means that you need less money to live off of, and you will become financially independent more quickly than a person that consumes heavily. The ratio of your savings to your expenses is what determines your financial security. Number 8. Tools for reducing spending. Taking control of your spending is a powerful feeling. You'll increase your savings, build more financial security, and you'll likely feel better knowing that you are in control of your financial life. While there is not one single solution for reducing spending, the number one thing that is always recommended is to do a budget. Tell your money where to go. While it might sound like more work, doing a budget frees you up to know where and how much money you can safely spend. After a budget is in place, learn to live a debt-free life. By no longer allowing yourself to use debt, you are limited to only spend money that you have in cold hard cash. Research shows you are likely to spend less money if you don't use debt. And finally, change your view on consumption. Realize that consuming more does not make your life better. Save and invest your hard-earned money, and then spend your money with intention on items or experiences that align with your personal core values. For most people in our world, money is the first thing, and sometimes the only thing that measures success in their life. Money can buy power. Money can buy fame. Money can buy time. So money has become the first common goal for everybody. However, there are important things in life that can be the measurement of success in life. Robert Kiyosaki said, "It's not how much money you make, but how much money you keep, how hard it works for you, and how many generations you keep it for." You could make $1 million today, but if you squander it tomorrow, it really doesn't matter a whole lot that you made the million. The real strength is in rationing, or what most of us call budgeting said money. Coming from old money means a lot more than some guy made money and held on to it for a few generations. It means he made the money and multiplied it across the generations. He made it work for them. Make money work for you, don't be a slave to it. It's not how much you make, but how much you save. Hope you enjoyed the video. If yes, then do like the video and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.